Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and from today we are going to start our new language chapter, that is chapter number 3, kinds of sentences. Okay, so before starting this video children, I would like to ask you all that yesterday I gave you one exercise of English literature notebook exercise, and I have given you in one part I have given you a reading, and in the second part I gave you to complete your question answers and make sentences. So I hope you all have completed that work in your English literature notebooks. Now children, please make sure that you complete each and every work very neatly, nicely in your notebooks as well as books, okay, and start learning also. And now children, coming back to our today's video, this is our part 1 video for today's assignment of chapter number 3, okay, in English language. So in this first part video, what I will be doing is that I will explain you about the chapter, about the topic of kinds of sentences, how many kinds of sentences are there, and how we what punctuation mark we use in these types of sentences. Okay, so we will be learning these things in this video, part 1 video, and in part 2 video we will be doing our notebook work. Okay, so are you all ready children? Very good. So for that you have to take out the grammarian book number 2 for class 2. Okay, now turn to page number 15. As you can see here, page number 15. Okay, chapter number 3, kinds of sentences. Now children, what are kinds of sentences? Previously we have studied about the topic of sentences, in which we have learned that what are sentences, how do we write sentences, and what are punctuation marks, and in which sentence we use punctuation marks. Now in this chapter we have elaborated this chapter, and now chapter number 2, the sentences, is elaborated. उसको हमने और अच्छे से explain किया है आपको chapter number 3 में. Is that clear? So in this chapter you have to be very concentrated. Okay, you have to listen to each and everything very nicely, and you have to listen to it very carefully so that you can understand each and every topic which is in this chapter. Is that clear to you all? So for that you have to listen to it very carefully, and you have to watch this video very carefully. So let's get started children. Chapter number 3, kinds of sentences. Now read the following sentences. There are 2 sentences given, sentence 1 and sentence 2. These are examples. Okay, first the sentence is, Miss Kavita is a doctor. In this sentence we are talking about Miss Kavita, and we are talking about her profession, that what is she. So she is a doctor. Miss Kavita is a doctor. My father is a businessman. Now in this second sentence we are talking about my father, and we are talking about his profession, that he is a businessman. वो क्या है? Businessman है. So these 2 sentences, these are assertive sentences. Assertive sentences is the first kind of sentences. Okay, kinds of sentences, कितने kinds of sentences हैं? 4 kinds. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So assertive sentence is the first kind, then interrogative sentence is the second kind, then imperative sentence is the third kind, and in the last is the exclamatory sentence, which is the 4th kind of sentence. Is that clear children? Now coming to our first type of sentence, that is assertive sentence. Now children, what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence कौन से sentences होते हैं? An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. Assertive sentence हमें क्या express करते हैं? कोई भी एक statement या fact. जिस भी सेंटेंस से हमें पता चल रहा है कि इसमें हमें किसी चीज़ के बारे में एक स्टेटमेंट बताया गया या एक फैक्ट बताया गया है, तो दैट सेंटेंस इज नोन एज असर्टिव सेंटेंस. एंड असर्टिव सेंटेंस का जो स्टेटमेंट होता है दैट ऑलवेज एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. ओके, असर्टिव सेंटेंस हमेशा किससे एंड होता है? फुल स्टॉप से. नाउ, मिस कविता इज अ डॉक्टर. This is an assertive sentence. Why? Because here we are talking about Miss Kavita that she is a doctor. We are telling a fact. हम एक fact बता रहे हैं कि मिस कविता नाम की जो लड़की है वो डॉक्टर है. That's it. Finish. We have expressed the statement that she is a doctor. My father is a businessman. We have just expressed a statement और अ फैक्ट दैट माई फादर इज़ अ बिजनेसमैन. मेरे पापा बिजनेसमैन है, ये मैंने एक फैक्ट बताया है जो कि वो एक्चुअल में है. ओके, नाउ इफ़ यू से द ताजमहल इज़ द सेवेंथ वंडर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके, तो दिस इज़ अ फैक्ट. ओके, द सन इज राउंड. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फैक्ट. द अर्थ इज राउंड इन शेप. दिस इज अ फैक्ट. Okay, this is a statement which is telling a fact that हमारी जो अर्थ है, दुनिया है, वो कैसी है? गोल है. It is a round in shape. So these all are assertive sentences. Okay, and they will end with a full stop. Have you all understood the first kind of sentence, that is assertive sentence? Very good. Now coming to the next type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Now children, interrogative itself shows that you are interrogating something, you are asking something. When a policeman catches a thief or a culprit, किसी भी दोषी को या किसी भी चोर को अगर पुलिस पकड़ती है, तो what the policemen do? They interrogate. They ask them questions. From where you have done this? Where is all the things which you have stolen? They ask like that. All of you must have seen CID or Crime Patrol on TV. So how do they interrogate? They ask questions from the person which are culprits. Okay, so interrogating someone or interrogating about something, that means you are asking some question. Okay, so that is why these sentences are known as interrogative sentence. अगर आपसे कोई पूछ रहा है where do you live, आप कहाँ रहते हो, so this is a question which I am asking to you that आप कहाँ रहते हो, where do you live. I am interrogating something. Okay, so that means these type of sentences are known as interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a question about something or someone. Interrogative sentence क्या होता है? Ask a question about something or someone. किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में या किसी पर्सन के बारे में हम जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, कोई सवाल पूछते हैं, so those type of sentences are known as interrogative sentences. And always remember that when a question or when a sentence which is asking you a question ends, that then it always ends with an interrogative mark or a question mark. Okay, always remember that interrogative sentence में हम कोई question पूछते हैं, वो sentences को हम interrogative sentence बोलते हैं. किसी के बारे में भी हम क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, किसी पर्सन के बारे में या किसी थिंग के बारे में, किसी चीज़ के बारे में. ओके, सो जब भी हम किसी पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, दैट मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, बिकॉज every interrogative sentence or every statement which is asking a question, it always ends with विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, एक इंटेरोगेटिव मार्क या क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ वो एंड होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? Yesterday I gave you question answers in English language, so I hope you all have seen that I have written question number 1. Who was Sharma ji? Okay, so what I have written, I am asking you something, that who was Sharma ji? Sharma ji कौन थे या उनका nature कैसा था? So I have used a question mark at the end. So whenever we ask any type of question, we just use a punctuation mark at the end, that is a question mark. Is that clear to you all, children? So I hope these two types of sentences, kinds of sentences are clear to you all. Now children, there are 4 types. Okay, 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence, second is interrogative. We have studied about 2 types of sentences today. Now imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence are other 2 kinds of sentences which we will be studying tomorrow. Okay, we will study only 2 today, and 2 types of sentences, kinds of sentences we will study today, and other 2 kinds of sentences we will be studying tomorrow. Okay, so by this you will not get confused. Okay, now when I have explained you assertive sentence and interrogative sentence, I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Very easy topic this is. Just what you have to do is you have to just listen to all the explanation part very carefully. Okay, once again I am repeating, children, I am just going to explain you only these 2 types of sentences. Okay, so that you will not get confused, you will not get overburdened. So what is first one is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence, children? Assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. assertive sentences वो सेंटेंस होते हैं जो एक स्टेटमेंट में एक फैक्ट को बताते हैं, जो चीज़ फैक्ट है, जो चीज़ बदल नहीं सकती. ओके, many of you know that your father does job or something, so you all know that what does your father do. Okay, I hope किसी के फादर डॉक्टर हैं, so what you will say, my father is a doctor. So what is this sentence? This is assertive sentence, because आप उनका प्रोफेशन नहीं बदल सकते. डॉक्टर को आप बिजनेसमैन नहीं बोल सकते. ओके, आपके पापा डॉक्टर हैं तो वो डॉक्टर ही रहेंगे. अर्थ राउंड है तो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, अर्थ राउंड ही रहेगी हमेशा. तो दिस इज अ फैक्ट. Okay, so all the sentences which expresses a statement or a fact to tell a fact, that means those are assertive sentences, and assertive sentences always ends with a full stop. Clear to you all? Now next was interrogative sentence. Now what are interrogative sentences? Sentences which ask you a question about समथिंग और समवन. जो भी सेंटेंस से हम किसी के बारे में या किसी चीज़ के बारे में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, सो दो सेंटेंसेस आर नोन एज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, हर बार कोई भी इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा वो क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होगा. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood these 2 types of sentences. Now, listen to this video twice or thrice, children, so that you will be able to understand very, very thoroughly that what is assertive sentence and what is interrogative sentence. Okay? And then you can switch to my next video, that is part 2 video, in which I will be giving you the introduction part. Okay, so we are going to write introduction part of this topic, kinds of sentences. So let's get started with our part 2 video, children. So for starting part 2 video I have to end this, and till my next video, children, bye bye.